So welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see more pseudo classes in CSS Selector. So the pseudo classes video is kind of continued. So the pseudo classes which we are going to see are first of type, last of type, and nth of type. Okay, so it will be very clear to you when I'll show you the live demonstration over the website. So be very patient and try to understand what I'm telling. Okay, so the first of type gives the element of the specified type among the list of sibling elements. Say for suppose you have a parent tag, okay, and you have various other tags inside that particular parent tag. Okay, so you call them child tag. Okay, so among the children tag or the child tags, you specify a particular element, and then you write first of type. Say for suppose there is a you know form tag which is having a lot of input tag inside it. So you specify input tag, and you need the first input tag inside the form tag as a parent tag. So first of type will give you the first input tag. The last of type will give you the last input tag in that particular parent form tag. Okay, and the nth of type will give the nth input tag, which you will specify in the bracket. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, inside that particular form as a parent tag. So let me now demonstrate the same example over the live website. You will be able to understand each and every bit what I am trying to tell you. So let us move over the website. So this is the um, web page of the salesforce.com and start my free trial page. So let me inspect the particular web page, and let me inspect this. There must be a form tag right out here somewhere. So let me search for a form tag, control F, form. Let me check it out which one will be good for explanation. So okay, this one I'll be selecting, right? So this is a particular form tag, and these are various child tags in this particular form tag, right? So I'll be telling you how we will use the pseudo classes in order to locate the input tag, the first input tag, the last input tag, or the nth input tag. Okay, with the help of this particular parent tag, that is the form tag, right? So let me now copy this class attribute of the form tag and then create a CSS selector over here, form, and then square brackets, and then class, single inverted commas, and control V. Okay, here we have missed equal to. So this particular form tag got selected. Okay, our CSS selector is right. Till now we have learned that CSS selector we have created of the form tag, and this is one of one, this is unique. Now I want to select the first input tag. Okay, first input tag of this particular form tag. How will you select? You know that we use this particular forward moving arrow, you can say, in order to select child of a parent tag, right? So we will write here input. You can see 1 out of 11 input tag has been selected. So 11 input tag has been selected. Okay, I want to select only one input tag, that is the very first. So I'll create a colon over here and write first of and then type. You can see one of one unique element has been selected, right? Unique element has been selected. Okay, if I write here last of and then type, you can see here the last input tag got selected. You can see here this is the form tag, and this is the last input tag which it is having, right? Okay, if I write here nth of type, let's erase this, nth of type, and if we create a bracket over here and write second, you can see the second input tag got selected. If I write here seventh, the seventh input tag got selected. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th, right? If I write here um, eighth, the eighth input tag got selected. If I write here 11, the last input tag got selected. Okay, So this is how we use the pseudo classes such as first of type, last of type, and nth of type. So I hope that the first of type, last of type, and nth of type pseudo class is clear to you. Also, if I want to include one more point in this is that if there would have been div tag, if there would have been, span tag inside this particular form tag, then you could have typed here div tag also, and you could have applied the first of type, last of type, and nth of type again. Okay, then it would have selected the first div tag and the last div tag and the nth div tag as specified by you. Okay, so I hope that it is clear to you completely. So now you can play around with the pseudo classes like first of type, last of type, and nth of type, and pseudo classes told to you in the last video also. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep watching and keep revising. Thank you.